Okay, it's recording. Hello! Hi, collective members who aren't here. We wish you were. And we're gonna show you what we've been doing. This isn't all of us. This looks hilarious. We're like the Brady Bunch right now. Hello! We love you guys so much, even though you're not here, and we need to fill you in a little bit on what's been happening, and we'll keep it short and simple. Who are we missing? So Johanna Middleton went home. She's been with us this whole time, processing in the thick of it. And then Allison Lehner is in the sunshine because she's a bird and can't be inside for too long. So let's show them around, shall we, folks?
Yeah.
Jimmy's Cabin.
Jimmy's Cabin, everyone. It's a beautiful place. It's a beautiful place. So day one, who can talk about what we did on day one? It's right there.
Day one.
Yeah, get in there, Abby, so we can see you.
Day one. We started to talk about, we're brainstorming. This is the product of a bunch of brainstorming about health topics that we are thinking about and find relevant. There it is. Your hair is just like part of this. So what you see here is just this big map of all of these different sort of subjects within the topic of health that we think are interesting and important. And we coded them. That's what all the colors are. So we have things, everything from reproductive justice to sleep, dreams and emotional health, cultural difference, and we're linking all of them together. So it's kind of this big map of a lot of topics within health. Are we doing this like a tour?
Yeah. Oh, wait, yeah, what were the codes?
The codes? Okay, so these are the categories that we came up with. Mind-body connection, Big M medicine, access, nutrition, RJ, which is reproductive justice, body image, identity/perception, and justice/ quote underserved. So those are the codes.
That's what came out of all of our brainstorming. And then, Jacob,
We thought about, as this collective of like super awesome people, what do we want to do both within ourselves and within our communities? So we talked about our collective meetings, which are going to be every 2 weeks, how we want to break that down. And the first is a mind-body check-in. The second is a reflection/evaluation of our work. Following that is some sort of educational, personal development, and current events in health politics update, where we sort of familiarize everyone about what's going on in the world. And then following that, we apply stuff with some lab time, some play time, and some rehearsal. So that's our work that we do within our group. And then within our community, we brainstormed a lot of different ideas and synthesized them down into this. Touring 2 shows.
So those 2 shows are the sexual violence piece that we've been working on all damn weekend, and then Project Us, the sexual health piece. Very exciting to tour those 2 pieces in
2
tandem.
shows, and we already know what they are. And then, so engaging youth leaders and developing models for continuous interaction in those communities. Also, providing tools for creative dialogue as a resource to health partners, as well as arts training. So showing other people how they can use this stuff in their own work. Hosting our own events and creating virtual spaces online for our different communities to interface with each other. So that's probably going to look like a website or a blog of some kind.
Woo! And then Aurelia. Wow! Funny to see you over here in this part of Jimmy's Cabin. It's hard to pick people up. Aurelia, will you talk to us about what our values are?
Absolutely, I will. So up here we have on the wall 4 groups of our values, and we all came up with sentences that share our values. So one of them is, in no particular order, is inclusivity. So we're working right now on a definition about how we value inclusivity in our collective, right? We value diversity in our storytelling and collaborators, honoring a range of experiences based on race, class, gender, ability, and other identities. Right?
Awesome. That was the Goosebumps one. That gave us all goosebumps.
That gave us goosebumps.
What else do we value?
Artistic approach, right? So we also have our artistic approach. We believe in creating artistically rigorous performances that act as a site of critical resistance, active inquiry, and sustainable change. Okay?
That's right there. Artistic approach.
Yeah. We've also got reproductive health. Okay? And It's right there. Clear. We believe in clear, accessible conversations about health that honor the connection between individuals and systems. And
through an RJ framework.
Thank
so
you.
through a reproductive,
Through a reproductive
justice framework. Super important to acknowledge
trying to
that.
figure out how
Yeah, how it was written.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's all we're putting it all together. And youth audiences. We value youth voices, youth leadership, and authentic, sustainable partnerships with youth and their communities. Okay, so we're finishing up getting these values totally the way we want to hear them said and spoken.
And we will email you those. You will get those.
Yeah.
Someone want to just say our working mission statement right now, which is very exciting. Abby?
I will. Okay. Oh, we are a collective of artists, educators, and activists, and our mission is a creative initiative and program.
Wait, it's down
no,
there.
it's
Actually,
about
it's to engage. That's all good, girl. You don't know our mission yet. to
To engage youth in safe, accessible conversations about sexual health and sexual violence through good participatory theater.
Yes, through good theater. That's very important. Yeah. Awesome. You guys, I can't. It's hard to get some light in here. There. Now they can see us. We are really sad you couldn't be here with us, but we were talking and thinking about you all weekend, and hopefully this video was a little helpful to catch you up. You will be getting copious notes from us, and we love you deeply. You're in our minds and on our hearts all weekend. Big kiss. I don't really know how to turn it off though, you guys.
Stop.